Germanium, bridging the elements in silicon shadow. Welcome to another journey through the periodic table. Today, we bring germanium into the spotlight, a silent yet pivotal contributor shaping the landscape of electronics and beyond. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you want more weekly updates on the periodic table of elements. An overview of germanium. Meet germanium, symbol Ge, a metalloid positioned in group 14 of the periodic table. Discovered in 1886 by Clemens Winkler, germanium has become a linchpin in the evolution of electronic devices. Elemental characteristics. Germanium shares characteristics with both metals and nonmetals, earning its place as a metalloid. Its crystalline form showcases a unique ability to conduct electricity, a trait that would soon become indispensable. As we explore its properties, we find germanium to be a semiconductor, a material that paved the way for the electronic revolution. Germanium in early electronics. In the mid-20th century, germanium took the spotlight in transistor development. Crafted by ingenious minds, these minuscule devices marked a pivotal shift in electronics. Germanium transistors emerged as foundational components, steering the course from radios to amplifiers and laying the groundwork for our interconnected world today. Germanium transistors became the building blocks of early electronic devices, from radios to amplifiers, laying the foundation for the interconnected world we inhabit today. Rise of silicon and germanium's retreat. However, the ascendancy of silicon dealt a blow to germanium's prominence. Silicon, with its greater abundance and enhanced capabilities, emerged as the primary semiconductor material, relegating germanium to a supporting role. Despite the transition, germanium discovered specific niches where its distinctive properties proved invaluable, securing its lasting presence in select technological applications. Germanium in modern technology. In the contemporary era, germanium undergoes a revival, capturing attention for its seamless integration with silicon. This integration has piqued interest in its potential applications in advanced electronics. Researchers are actively delving into germanium's role in next-generation electronic devices, quantum computing, and its potential as a material for cutting-edge photonic applications. Beyond electronics, germanium and optics. Beyond electronics, germanium's capabilities shine in optics. Its transparency to infrared radiation positions it as a vital element in crafting lenses for thermal imaging and night vision devices, showcasing its diverse and crucial applications. Germanium's enduring legacy. As we conclude our exploration of germanium, let's appreciate its role as a quiet yet influential force in the technological symphony. In the ever-evolving landscape of science, germanium continues to bridge the elements, connecting the past to the future. Germanium, a subtle maestro in the orchestra of elements, deserves recognition for its enduring contributions to our interconnected world. Join us for more talks about chemical elements.